Within few years, you will not be able to differentiate between humans and robots. You wouldn't even know if your neighbor or your boss is human or robot. Scientists have created human-like skin for robots. The skin not only looks like human skin but behaves in the same way. Promobot Plant company is creating life-like skins for robots. The skin is soft, elastic, and a little bit rough, exactly like human skin. Guess what? The skin also has pores and even pimples just like humans. The robot's skin secretes oil and sweat, just like human skin does. The robot skin is more lifelike, it is produced from silicon alloys. The company says that this human-like robot will be available in malls, theaters, or offices as receptionists or to guide. But imagine if these types of robots are used in warfare, committing crimes, etc. Robots are now being taught to act and behave like humans. They think, they feel pain, they are self-learning, they have been granted citizenship. Now, what else? Even facial recognition tech can't differentiate between humans and this new type of robot. What if they turned against humans? Soon, cities will be full of humanoid robots, and you will not be able to identify them. Do you think robot apocalypse is coming? Comment your thoughts.